Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching Holo Taco's new linear holographic rainbow collection. So I did 2 coats for each shade, then at the end I applied 1 layer of super glossy taco. These polishes apply extra smooth, and some can even be 1 coaters if you apply a little bit of a thicker layer, but I prefer doing 2 thinner layers. Be sure to leave a comment letting me know which ones are your favorite. Alright, so here are the polishes after 1 coat of super glossy taco. That does it for these swatches. I hope you enjoyed seeing this collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!